My 2004 R1150RT police model left me sitting on the side of the road on the way back from the National. It was doing some funny electrical stuff, and it turns out the ignition completely shut off while I was driving along at 60 miles an hour. So no electrics, couldn't get it to start, couldn't get any lights, couldn't get anything. Turns out the ignition, after digging out these freaking security bolts to remove the ignition, turns out on the driver's right side there's a small screw, and that's all that holds in the electric. So if you have a tiny screwdriver in your tool bag, this is the screw, quite little. This little screwdriver worked. The screw wasn't tight, but if you can get in on the left side, that little hole with the red on it, if you need to, roadside, if you can get under there, you can open that up and you might be able to get yourself living again. I'm going to be cleaning up the contacts. I cleaned this a little bit, the upper portion. Here's the lower portion as it failed on me. So I'm going to clean it up and see if I can get power back through there without buying a whole new ignition.